through seasons I didn't choose. Lost some friends, learned a few truths. Every detour, every road unknown was grace just leading me home.
I've carried burdens I thought were mine, till I found your mercy right on time. And through the dust, the pain, the rain, you were there, calling my name.
It's been a long way home, but I'm not lost.
I'm not lost. Every mile marked by the blood and the cross. And the cross.
You took my wandering heart and made it known that every road of grace still leads me home. There were nights I almost let go, dreams that faded, hopes that froze. But every valley had a lesson song. You were teaching faith to grow. And now I see what I couldn't then. Even broken roads can bend to mend. Every turn I thought would end became the path you'd recommend. It's been a long way home, but I'm not alone. I'm not lost. Every scar reminds me what love costs. You took my wandering heart and made it known that every road of grace still leads me home. But through the heartache, through the tears, you were whispering, I'm still here, Now I'm walking with peace I've never known. It's been a long way home, but I found rest. Every mile redeemed, every test was blessed. From the ashes you built a cornerstone, and the long way home just led me